Good morning, students. In today's class, we see the second investment institution, that is insurance corporation company, that is LIC. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी जो है हम लोग सभी लोग लेते हैं और उसके बारे में हमें जानकारी भी है. ओके ना. लाइफ इंश्योरेंस पॉलिसी इज़ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विथ एन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी. ओके, इट इज़ काइंड ऑफ अ कॉन्ट्रैक्ट विथ एन इंश्योरेंस कंपनी इन एक्सचेंज फॉर प्रीमियम, दैट इज़ वी डू सम प्रीमियम पेमेंट, मतलब मंथली हम लोग छोटा छोटा पैसे भरते हैं. तो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो है विच प्रोवाइड लमसम पेमेंट known as death benefit. If somebody dies, then the insurance company, what it will do, it will pay off the money to the beneficiaries in the event of the insured death. Okay, जो जिसका डेथ होता है उसके बेनिफिशियरीज है उनको क्या मिलता है, अमाउंट, जो भी अमाउंट है इंश्योरेंस का, दे विल गेट द अमाउंट. So from being the sole proprietor for the provider for life insurance till the financial year 1999-2000, LIC is today competing the industry with the private sector insurers which have commenced operation over the period of 2000-2012. Okay, so ये जो है life insurance company, it is becoming a competitor for the private sector insurers. Okay, because it is becoming the top insurance company to provide the life insurance coverage to the common people. Okay, so life insurance industry first year premium has been shown as annualized growth of 37% between 1996-97 and 2000-2001 and 27.4 between 2001 and 2013. Okay, so you can see the changes, how much it has changed. Okay, so this growth has been achieved on the increased based on the premium underwritten. Okay, so the life insurance company जो है उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन देखेंगे हम लोग, कैसा है उसका ऑर्गेनाइजेशन. now this LIC is wholly owned by the government, मतलब पूरी जो है कंपनी, it is owned by the government corporation. so it is managed by the board of directors consisting of not more than 15 directors which are appointed by the government of India. Okay, the chairman जो है, it is the chief executive of the corporation. The chairman is who is generally assisted by two managing directors. So there will be two managing directors who assist the chairman. Okay, now for the purpose of general superintendence and direction of affairs and business, the board appoints an executive committee. Okay, the board also appoint an investment committee for advising in the matter of investment of fund. Okay, the central office of LIC is located in Mumbai. It has 7 zonal offices, 100 divisional offices and 2048 branch offices. Okay, the corporation also transacts business abroad and has offices in UK, Fiji and Mauritius. Okay, so it is also associated with joint venture abroad in the field of insurance. Okay, so these are some of the how the organization of life insurance companies takes place. So their central offices are located in Mumbai. Okay, ये याद रखना. Now they also have 7 zonal offices and 100 divisional offices and branches कितने हैं, 2048 branch offices. Okay, it also operates outside India also because it has its offices in UK, Fiji and Mauritius. Okay, so this is the organization of your LIC. Next we will see the function क्या क्या है. First is selling life insurance. As I told you, LIC is popularly known for selling life insurance. So here LIC, what it does, it sells the life insurance on individual as well as group basis. Okay, so it provides financial coverage for the security against the twin risk of person either dying too young or living too long. Okay, so thus in this way LIC reduces the risk of life. Okay. Second one is it will motivation for saving. Now life insurance organization जो है universally occupies a crucial position among all the saving institutions in existence. Okay, so this is mainly because it is able to collect the small saving of the innumerable individuals. So life insurance, so here the life insurance जो है it appeals to serve due to number of reasons. The savings being institute elastic. The saving institutions have positive effect on the volume of the personal savings. Okay, so जो personal savings है लोगों के, what they do, they take a life insurance insurance for the from their savings so that it can be useful in future. Okay, so here they take it from the personal saving, and it is in this context the life insurance company are ideally suited in terms of ability to create people the desire to save, forms an important element of saving process, and is affected by variety of motives such as to assist the individual in creation of emergency saving fund to guard the family against any financial misfortune. Okay, अगर कुछ problem हुआ then LIC become a very useful for the person who is in danger. Okay, then to build up potential family estate should be the current earning power of the head of the family be removed after death. अगर कुछ problem then if there is death, then it won't affect the family position, because if he taken life insurance then the beneficiaries will be benefited from that insurance. Okay, the amount will be getting for the beneficiaries. Next is to assist the accumulation of fund by the time of retirement for active work. Okay, so these are some of the motivations that is given by the LIC when a common person takes a saving insurance in the form of life insurance. Okay, next is mobilization of saving. Now the contractual nature of life insurance also contributes to the mobilization of saving, as it tends to commit the policyholder, particularly after the few years, to continue even more firmly in their resolutions to save more than most of the other agencies designed for the same purpose. The significance of this should be clear from the fact that without a contractual obligation and personal solicitation, the desire to save the required amount every year, systematic management of policyholder life insurance through the contractual payment of the premium, control and individual impulses, and foster the saving habit in him. So the principal virtue of life insurance is once again recognized. It becomes part of the family budget, protection and saving the household and personal expenses as soon adjusted to the necessities of paying the premium. Okay, so यहाँ पे इन लोग क्या करते हैं, they know that उनके जो सेविंग्स है सम अमाउंट विल बी गोइंग फॉर द प्रीमियम, एंड रेगुलर प्रीमियम पेमेंट जो करते हैं विल स्ट्रेंथन द इंडिविजुअल एबिलिटी टू सेव इन अ सिस्टमैटिक मैनर. ओके, तो उनके अंदर एक एबिलिटी क्रिएट होती है कि दे हैव टू सेव सम मनी, सो दिस वी क्रिएट्स अ सिस्टमैटिक हैबिट ऑफ सेविंग द मनी. नेक्स्ट इज प्रोवाइडिंग लोन्स. Providing loans for development activities. Okay, now loans are one of the major avenue for investors for LIC fund. Okay, so LIC fund किस लिए करते हैं, so that there is a investment, and when there is investment there is a development. So loan for developmental activities, especially social oriented sections, occupy predominant place in the employment of LIC fund. So while granting loans, the LIC lays emphasis on of the following. First one is projects or scheme for generation and transmission of electricity for agricultural and industrial use. This is the first what you call project that is provided, loan is provided by the LIC. Second one is housing scheme, that is state government and Apex Cooperative Housing Finance Society. Third is to provide projects where pipe water supply and sewage projects schemes in rural and urban areas and townships. Okay, development of road transport, industrial development. So these are some of the development projects that are taken for providing loans by LIC. Next is deployment of fund in money market instrument. So funds which awaits investment are temporarily deployed in short term money market instruments like call, notice, deposit, certificate deposits, government of India, treasury bills, short term bills, deposit which with the bank, and commercial papers issued by corporates. Okay. Next is investment in small and medium scale industries. Now LIC, what it does, it indirectly helps small scale and medium scale industries by subscribing to the shares and bonds and state finance corporations. Okay, so assistance to corporate sectors with the constraints stipulated by section 27A of the insurance, LIC grants assistance to corporate sectors in various ways such as loans, underwriting, direction, subscription, firm allotment and right issue, equity or preference shares, debentures and bond, short-term loan, unsecured short-term loan. The corporate sector is sanctioned assistance for varied purposes, that is for establishment of new units, for expansion, diversification and mobilization of existing units, and for balancing equipments and rehabilitation, and also other purposes including mainly the relieving constraints of cash resources. So this is the seventh what you call function that is performed by LIC. Next is resource support to financial institution. Now LIC also provide resource support, that is beside extending support to corporate sectors directly, LIC जो है it will assist the industrial corporate sectors indirectly also by extending resource support to various financial institutions, that is IFC, SFCs, by way of term loan as well as by subscribing to their shares and debentures. Next is पॉलिसी होल्डर्स इंटरेस्ट. ना इन्वेस्टमेंट पॉलिसी जो है इट इज़ फॉलोड बाय LIC. ओके, एंड इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर द इंटरेस्ट ऑफ द पॉलिसी होल्डर्स. द ह्यूज फंड्स विच you see commands belongs to policy holders. Okay, so the LIC, a trustee of fund, not only ensures the safety of fund but also it also expect to earn sufficient return on investments with the view to reduce the cost of insurance. Okay, moreover it will has to safeguard the interest of the policy holders against purchasing power risk arising as a result of depreciation in the value of currency due to inflation. Okay, so it has to follow the investment policy जो है it has to follow and it should be in the interest of the policy holder, because policy holder क्या करता है, it saves the money in the form of purchasing the LIC policy. So in short, it is what keeping in view the economic development, LIC has to perform various functions in the context of Indian economy. It provides finance to the priority various contests they have to follow. It provides finance to the priority sectors and socially desirable activities. Okay, so it also directs the investment of funds into desirable channels, especially into government and semi-government securities. The corporate sectors जो है will employ moderate portion of their fund. So LIC plays a very important role. Okay, so here LIC जो है it plays very important role in the development of the of the economy. Now insurance business जो है it was in India was date back in 1818 until 1956. Okay, life insurance business जो है it was decentralized. Different insurance companies of small and medium size were operational at that time. Okay, and the government of India ने क्या किया, it notified all insurance companies in 1956 and it established a life insurance corporation of India. So it has commenced its operation from 1st September 1956. Now we'll see how it is working. LIC कैसे work करता है. Okay, so here it includes, first one is insurance protector. Now LIC जो है it spreads the message of necessity of life insurance among the masses and tries to provide insurance protection to as many people as possible. LIC provides life insurance at a very least cost. Okay, मतलब very small amount they will provide the LIC policy. Next is it will speed up the rate of saving. Now when you invest in LIC, what will happen? People indirectly what they are doing, they are saving their money. So to speed up the rate of saving, LIC helps in speedy mobilization of savings from the public. Okay, funds are also collected to different insurance related schemes. Okay, next is social security. LIC जो है it performs the functions of providing social security to weaker sections of the society through group insurance scheme. Okay, नेक्स्ट इज ट्रस्टी ऑफ पॉलिसी होल्डर. LIC क्या करती है? इट फंक्शंस एज अ ट्रस्टी ऑफ पॉलिसी होल्डर्स मनी. इट ऑल्सो ऑलवेज वर्क इन देयर इंडिविजुअल एंड ग्रुप इंटरेस्ट. ओके, जो लोगों का इंटरेस्ट है इट विल वर्क अकॉर्डिंग टू दैट. Next is it will provide finance to the central and state government. Now LIC क्या करती है? It will invest large portion of the collected fund in state and central government bonds. It also invest in government different socially oriented schemes. Next is satisfaction of changing insurance requirement. Now as society progresses, what happen? It insurance requirement changes with the time. Okay, then change होती रहती है. So LIC formulates different schemes to suit the changing time. लास्ट वन इज कंट्रीब्यूशन टू स्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट. LIC क्या करती है? इट हेल्प्स फाइनेंस वेरियस इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चरल डेवलपमेंट ऑफ हाउसिंग, रूरल इलेक्ट्रिफिकेशन, वाटर सप्लाई स्कीम एट वेरियस प्लेसेस. सो इट देयरफॉर प्रोवाइड्स रीफाइनेंस फैसिलिटीज टू हुडको, HIFs, state government, cooperative banks, etc. So in 2002-03 LIC disbursed how much? rupees 6,206 crores as last term loan as resource support to various finance institutions. So LIC prefers investing in debentures to reinvest in shares so that it ensures better income to the policy holder. So in working what we have seen, it includes what? It is an insurance protector. It will speed up the rate of saving. It will help in giving social security. It is a trustee of policy holder. It provides finance to state and central government. It helps in satisfaction of changing insurance requirement, and it will also help in construction contribution to structural development. Then we have seen the लाइफ इंश्योरेंस कंपनी जो है उनके फंक्शंस. फर्स्ट फंक्शन वाज व्हाट? सेलिंग लाइफ इंश्योरेंस. सेकेंड वन वाज व्हाट? मोटिवेशन फॉर सेविंग. थर्ड वन वाज मोबिलाइजेशन ऑफ सेविंग. फोर्थ, प्रोवाइडिंग लोन्स फॉर डेवलपमेंट एक्टिविटीज़. फिफ्थ, डिप्लॉयमेंट ऑफ फंड्स इन मनी मार्केट इंस्ट्रूमेंट. Investment in small and medium scale industries, assistance to corporate sectors, resource support to financial institutions, and policy interest. So these are some of the points that we have learned in today's class. In the next class we are going to see about the public and private insurance company. So these are very important, public and private insurance, because question may come on those things. Okay, so today we have seen what we have seen only life insurance company, their what you call functions. Then we have seen the what are the main points why LIC is important, that we have seen, and we have seen the organization of LIC.